So the FuturePrint TECH Digital Print for Manufacturing Conference is taking place at the Muller Centre in Cambridge on the 9th and 10th of November. So just a few weeks away now, and we've got a fantastic programme with over 40 speakers joining us, really looking deeply into how inkjet can be used in the manufacturing process. So let's find out a little bit more about what they have to say.
What we're going to talk about is something a bit different from usual. So we're focusing on a case study of a customer that's using inkjet in a real world application that's really industrial manufacturing. So something that wasn't possible before in a manufacturing sense, that they're able to use inkjet to add value to their product. So hopefully it will be something that brings not only the ink side that we deal with, but also the whole application focus and where inkjet can go from an industrial point of view.
So I'm going to be staying with the topic of digital print for manufacturing quite closely and discussing the topic of printing onto polypropylene products or a part of the manufacturing process. This could be marking and coding, for example. So integrating inkjet printing with, along with the ink supplier who's working in this area, Joachim Christians from Zeller and Mailing.
Barry McGregor is a well-known name in the inkjet community. He's going to be telling the story of how our ink business is working with our integration business in the USA, and he's going to be telling the story of the journey of how ink and hardware are brought together to optimize for the best results in inkjet.
So I'm going to be talking about how the megatrends are impacting our industry. We all know that fuel prices have gone up, that gas is getting more expensive, but how are these things affecting our industry? Well, you may have never thought of inkjet printing chemicals onto a field, but I'm going to be talking about just that. So you can take inkjet printers, they've got to be pretty big, and put chemicals that are being used today onto a field. What does that mean? Cheaper food, less chemicals. It's a really interesting application for inkjet, and I look forward to talking about it.
We're going to present one of our customer journeys, and we hope to help our customer with us as well. The real story we'll be telling is about why the customer chose Perigon for their print process, how Perigon's really benefited them, both in terms of their production capabilities, but also in terms of their environmental footprint that they'll be reducing using our technology, and about the ability it provides them to give a personalised message to their consumers as well.
So I think the FuturePrint events have been a great platform for the digital industry to talk to the wider industry about the benefits of our technology and how we can use it in manufacturing processes. And this specific event, focusing on that and really looking at the industrial application of it, is something that's kind of unique, we haven't seen before. And so we're really hoping to speak to a wider audience and really put the message across of the importance of ink choice, but also the importance of what digital print can do within an industrial manufacturing process.
Obviously, we had the Leadership Summit in the summer, and there we were discussing a little bit more about the bigger picture of the industry. So I'm really looking forward to getting back to kind of the technical details, to hearing new developments in the industry and hearing what everyone else has to discuss on the technical front.
Well, I think the event itself is very interesting because it moves outside of the traditional domain of digital printing. And what manufacturers today are looking for is how they can enhance and add value to their product. And digital printing is a great way to do that because you can not only customize, you can also add function to print. So I'd advise anyone to come and look at the show to take away new ideas, new experiences that they can use maybe in their own manufacturing processes.